Okay, so here's a presentation on the need for energy. So one of the major energy or uses of energy in our body is maintaining homeostasis. Alright? So no matter what is happening on the outside, homeostasis maintains the body's internal environment. So it doesn't matter whether it is, plus 30 outside or whether it is minus 40 outside. Regardless, our body is going to maintain the same internal environment, so that is what homeostasis do. So there it says, despite the chill of the cold Canadian winter, humans' body try to hold a steady temperature of approximately 37 degrees Celsius. So our bodies have many adaptations that allow it for it to stay the same temperature. So one of them is when your body is too warm, blood vessels are brought close to the skin surface, and heat can then transfer out quickly. This is why when you're out in the sun, you tend to become red and flushed. This is your body's trying to get rid of that heat energy that's in your blood, alright? Perspiration is another way to cool our bodies. So perspiration is sweating, right? So the moisture is moved outside of the skin, and evaporation of this moisture cools the body. Shivering helps to warm our body, so the vibrating muscles burn more energy, and the chemical energy in glucose is converted into the kinetic energy in the shivering, and therefore thermal energy is released. So the more you shiver, the more chemical energy you're burning, so there's that waste energy is going to be produced, which is your thermal energy. Alright, so to protect itself from the cold, the human body can also direct less blood to the limbs and more to the core. To do this, blood vessels near the surface constrict and less blood gets to the outside, so less thermal energy is lost to your environment. So this is why you get frostbite. Essentially, your body will stop giving blood to those specific areas, whether it's your toes or your fingers or your arms or your legs, and that allows them to become frozen in frostbite. So the rate at which humans' bodies use energy is referred to as metabolism. So someone with a high metabolism has high energy needs. These people may be able to eat a lot but not gain weight. This is because the energy from their food is either used by the body during digestion, activity, and excretion, or it is released as thermal energy. But people with a low metabolism have lower energy needs, so their body is effectively more efficient. So somebody with a high metabolism and has high energy needs means that their body is less efficient, okay, which seems almost contradictory. But we need to keep that clear. So if you have a low metabolism, your body is more efficient. If you have a high metabolism, your body is less efficient. Thanks for listening.